Welcome to Kitchen and Garden with
Ivy
and Steve.
Good afternoon. It's Ivy and Steve in our garden and kitchen, and today we're going to harvest a few tomatoes because there's some ripened, and we're going to harvest some garlic and some beans, and we'll just show you what we got. And here is our tomato. There's one ripe here. This is cherry tomato. I don't know why it's gone big. And of course, few more to harvest in a couple of days or a week or so. We'll see. And I got one. Right. And now we're going to harvest some beans. Oh, we got a few here because we need to harvest every day. And there's some more. Okay. I will harvest them all, and then when we harvest, and then we'll show you what we got. Not yet. Hello, and we're here now in these raised beds. We got some garlic, and really, I think it's really need to harvest now because some of them they're having fruit on the second line. So I think it's really need to harvest. So we have 4 raised beds, and these 4 raised beds we scattered this garlic because we want the pests to be gone. Don't want pests. Right. Okay. I'm gonna harvest a few. Oh. Ooh, look at that. Got some nice ones. And I'll try this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, bigger. These ones. And after this, we harvest 4 raised beds, and then we'll show you how much we got. This time I'm going to harvest some carrots. I've checked the carrots, and it's looking good. I think I just tried to pull one. Okay, we'll see how much we've got. I don't know. It's the first time I would this carrot. This is the carrot I've got. Look, I think is it round carrots?
They look ill-formed. I mean, they don't look like carrots in the shop.
Well, this is the carrots that I just planted this year. I think it's late, but we'll see how much I've got. Right?
Cool.
Yep. Now we finished some garbage here. So I planted it was last year, maybe November, October, and then for only 3 cloves. Look what we got this time. Right, maybe I'm going to dry them. I'm going to hang them, and then we'll enjoy and eat it. And then, I don't know, this is my first time to plant a carrot, so I don't know if it's ready to harvest, but I just want to harvest some. So I can eat it raw, or I can put some and some beans. That's all we got. So I harvest it every day. It's like this every day, so not so bad. I got 1 tomato. This cherry tomato is quite big, but hopefully in 1 week or 2 weeks time I got more. Thank you for watching.
And just a very quick pond update. So the fish are doing very well in their new habitat, and we tend to put the pump on as the sun goes down because you don't really want to put water on the leaves of the plants because they will burn the leaves. So there you go, you can see one of the goldfish coming up to the actual fountain now. Yep, they're doing very well. Please stay with Ivy and Steve a little bit longer and click one of these links that you can see on your screen now. And yeah, if you have liked our channel and like what you see and want to see more, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.